For our fourth bout for this morning, championship bout for the girls youth 60 kilograms. Red side, Shen Xihan from China, and on the blue side, Айлара Sулeymanova from Turkmenistan. These girls are big, these girls are tall. This is our 60 kilograms youth. Shen Xian from China is the 2025 national youth champion here in China, and is also she's a Asian youth medalist. Very experienced fighter. And we can see that in her move. She starts with a lot of kicks there. But this is a gold medalist. This is not an easy fight. Both athletes are experienced. Both of the athletes have been through the elimination, quarterfinals, and semifinals round. But you can see they still have the energy. They still have the strength, even though they've been fighting, competing for the past 4 days. That's a good roundhouse kick there. You can hear a clear sound. That's an automatic 2 points there. The red side from China should do more of that kick. Okay, there was no score in that action. End of the round one. Four judges scored on red and one judge for blue side, and we have a winner for this round, the red side. And our judges for this bout, the judge number one from Georgia, Hirasvili. Judge number two from Indonesia, Gartika. Judge number three from Egypt, Yusuf Muhammad Sayed. Judge number four from Taipei, Pengwei Chua. And judge number five from India, Tongram Binapani. Our platform referee from USA, Anthony Sims. Red side China, blue side from Turkmenistan. Third man on the ring from USA. And this is the 10th World Junior Wushu Championships. Let's see if the blue side would give more strikes. And she did. No? That's a good give and take there from the blue side and red side. A good front kick there. You can see there the wrestling skills, how they defend and how they try to maneuver their opponents. That is a good roundhouse kick there. You can hear the sound. And you can see clearly that the defend came in later, so that was a good score for our red side. Strikes in the clinch is allowed, but no score will be given. That is a warning for passive holding for the given to the red side. It means like if you keep on just hugging without any intention of doing wrestling, you just want to rest or delay the fight, you will be given an admonition or a technical foul in that. That will be additional 1 point for the opponent. And that's a good throw there given by the red side. Blue side down first. That's going to be 1 point given, awarded to red side. Good front kick there. Even if there's no sound, if there's displacement just like that one, that's a good score. The criteria for a score is no defense, clear strike, valid area, valid technique, and then there's a sound or there's an effect or displacement. That's how we score it. And all our judges are looking on that criteria and judging the score. And end of the round 2. And I guess we have a winner, a clear win, a big gap in the scorecard. Winner is red side. Red side from China, our gold medalist for the girls youth, 60 kilograms, Shэнь Shihan. Our world junior wushu